When we met Miss Sims, she just seemed really out of it. She was really tired. You could tell that she's been through a lot and she's just really exhausted. So when we were able to hear her story and everything, we knew we just had to help her. This is a very long project for us, a very hard, very involved project.
My style of building is definitely sturdy. When I build, the first thought when I build anything is it's not going to fall apart. So, that was my kind of foundation. Off that, it's basically like an adult crib. We want to make sure if they have a seizure or if they're restless at night that they're going to be safe and stay inside the bed.
Your love they will ignore. The pain that it caused will never be described.
But it's true, the motto is go big or go home, and it's big in there, and it's beautiful, and she's just gonna love it. In just a couple of minutes, Miss Sims will be here.
I just feel like we have to just give Miss Sims more credit than a lot of people probably do. She's dedicated her life to helping kids and the community, and this has actually been a really rewarding project for us.
Oh Lord. It's gonna change my life completely because it's beautiful. I don't even know what to say, but I thank them so much. It's a blessing. It's just a blessing.
Just an incredible, humble, just a selfless person, and to be able to see her reaction to this was really incredible.
I would like to thank Jackson Healthcare for the grant they gave me to make all of this happen. And it's gonna change my life completely.
Doing makeovers like this when you know the family is going to benefit 100% from it, and not just today at the reveal. I mean, it's every single day for the rest of her life. Like, this makeover is going to affect her life and her children.
I asked for one thing. 3 days later, I called back and asked for something else, and Holly said no problem. I asked for another room because I'm trying to keep my kids home with me.
It was definitely a larger project than a lot of our other ones. Adding onto a home, it takes a lot of resources and a lot of money. And Jackson Healthcare coming in and not just helping financially, their team.
Thank you for being who you are, to care about people like me and my kids. All of that was paid, him being fostered, that all that led to here. It's like the book has been written, we don't know what the next page is going to be, but by him being a foster care, it led him to where he is now, and I thank him for helping me. I thank him so much.